Hello and good evening. Today we are talking about multi-digit subtraction. So subtracting more than one digit. We're going to start out without borrowing and do a couple examples, then we'll do a couple examples with borrowing. So go ahead and copy down this problem. 79 minus 23. Okay. When we're looking at the problem, 79 minus 23, just the same as with adding multi-digit, with subtracting multi-digit, we still start in that ones column. So we'll start with 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 gives us 6. And then we go to our tens column. 7 minus 2 gives us 5. So our answer to 79 minus 23 would be 56. Now I'll write another one for you to try. So copy down 97 minus 45. Go ahead and pause the video, give that one a shot, and then let's see how you do. Okay, if you got this one correct, you went 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. So 97 minus 45 should have equaled 52. Now we're going to move on to a little bit more difficult subtraction with borrowing. Okay, now we're going to look at subtraction with borrowing. So go ahead and copy this problem down onto your paper. 92 minus 37. Okay, so 92 minus 37. The first thing you should notice when we're looking at this problem is that in our ones column where we start, we have 2 minus 7. We cannot do 2 minus 7 because our bottom number here, 7, is bigger than 2. We cannot take 7 away from 2. So we have to do something called borrowing. Now if you look over here, you'll see that I've written out these numbers in 6. So each one of the big 6 stands for 10, and then each one of the dots is the ones column. So you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 92 minus 10, 20, 30, 7. So what we're going to do here when we borrow is we're going to take one of our 10s. I'm going to bring that 10 down here. And I'm going to break that 10 up into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what I do is I now have those 10 ones plus these 2 ones, which gives us now 12 ones in all. Now look at what that looks like over here. I cross out my 9, I make that an 8, just like I have 8 10s left over here, and I put a 1 in front of the 2. Because I broke that 8, I took 1 from the tens column, and I made it into 10 ones. So now I have 12 ones in the 1 column. When I go 12 minus 7, it gives me 5. And then 8 minus 3 gives me 5. So all I did there is I took one of my 10s, as you can see where my cursor is right here. I broke it into ones that give me 12 ones minus my 7 ones. I know that's a little confusing, so let me give you another example. Okay, so let's look at the problem 62 minus 37. I kind of set this one up pretty similar to the last problem, but let's look at how we would solve this. Just like the last problem, when I go to my ones column and try to subtract, I have a number on the bottom, 7, that is bigger than my number on the top, 2. I cannot do that. I can't take 7 away from 2. It's too much. So what I do is the same thing I did last time. I go to my tens column, the next column over. I'm going to take 1 from there. So I'm going to take it from a 6, make it a 5. Now because I took from the tens column, I can add 10 to my 2 over here. Or put the 1 in front. So that 2 turns into a 12. It gets 10 bigger. Now I can do 12 minus 7 gives me 5. 5 minus 3 gives me 2. Hopefully that makes a little sense. We're going to go to the second video and try another example, and then you'll try one on your own.